Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can add or remove a Google account from your device Xiaomi 12T and 12T Pro. So if you want to add or remove a Google account from your device Xiaomi 12T and 12T Pro, you can do it by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can add or remove any Google account from your device.